Instagram got insanely popular over the years. With over 1 billion users, it's pretty hard to stand out in such a big crowd. In this course, I'm going to show you a few tricks to increase your chances of being seen in that big crowd. I'll do my best to keep it short and simple so you can start as soon as possible. The structure of this course will take you to various subjects, each one being an important part of becoming a successful Instagram influencer. Now, let's get started. Things that hits the user when checking your profile is the design of it, the avatar, the bio, the Instagram story icons, and the actual posts. All together form your actual online identity. Let's check each one of them and see what improvements we can. The avatar. Whether your Instagram avatar contains a personal picture, an object, or even a logo, you need to make sure it contains eye-popping colors, something catchy that easily attracts people's attention. If you can't really do this, because in some cases it might not fit the current niche, I'd suggest you add a circle stroke around your avatar, preferably blue. This will trick most of the people into thinking the profile is verified. At the same time, this kind of avatar will make some people check your profile when they scroll through comments, and your avatar attracts their attention with its unique style. Every new user that checks your profile is a new person that might follow your profile. Many users consider the bio almost useless and skip filling it properly. They rush to posting in hopes of fast success. The bio is like a welcoming letter to people that check your profile. Sometimes the bio can make the difference between a follow or a skip. You have that great avatar, you got people's attention, and they are now checking your profile. Make sure the bio will convince them to hit that follow button. Here is a list of things your bio could contain. A small, simple description. What niche are you into? Things you are going to post. A favorite quote. Maybe a short joke. Tag another account if it's necessary, an invite to follow the page, or anything else that you consider important to your profile. You can use emojis or symbols, and also change the text font to make it more attractive. If you have a link to another social media platform, feel free to add that too. Here is how you can change the font. Now I'm going to show you how to change the bio Instagram font. In order to do that, I'm going to use this test account that I have created a long time ago. And you need to go to igfonts.io, type down the text you want to change the font to, and the site will show you a bunch of already created fonts. Let's say I want to add this one. I'm just going to simply copy it, edit profile. Let's delete something here. Let's say I delete everything and put my new font. Press submit. And now if I check my account, the new font is there. Let's pick another one. Let's say maybe I want this one. Edit profile. Again, I'm gonna place it here. Submit. Going back. And here it is. Instagram story icons. Since posting stories is a must nowadays, you'll have to save the best ones so others can check them later. When you are picking or creating your icons, make sure they represent what category of stories you will save there. And another tip, make sure the design of your story icons are similar. They share the same theme, similar colors or shapes. When it comes to posting, it really depends on your niche and how you approach it, but there are a few things that you need to take into consideration. Make sure your pictures have a high resolution, keep Instagram's favorite aspect ratios, avoid using pixelated pictures because those don't attract likes. Be consistent. Yeah, you probably heard it multiple times, but most of the people don't stick to it. You need to do this at least 3 months and don't quit after 2 weeks just because you gained only 100 followers. The first few thousand followers are hard to get, everything gets easier later. A good idea is to create yourself a schedule and prepare your posts during the weekend and just post them according to your pre-recorded schedule during the week. Don't leave the captions empty. Write something interesting related to your post. A person that usually doesn't really like too many posts can change his mind and simply by reading a good caption, leave a like to your post. Now, how often should you post? People are talking about 3 or 4 times per week, but analyzing some other pages and the results I got on people that I worked with, the best thing is to have 1 or 2 posts per day, with 2 or 3 posts during the weekend, including Friday. Also, at least a story a day is a must. Of course, there are niches where posting 4 or 5 times a day will help the page grow much faster. Usually entertainment pages grow fast with that much posting. The hours you post need to be specific. Depending on your niche, there's a time when posting will increase your reach. Experiment with posting hours, check other similar pages and their posting time and learn from them. About the hashtags. First, you need to know that you can post the hashtags in a comment after you made the post. This allows you to have a clean description. You can include up to 30 hashtags, but that's not really a must. Keep it between 10 and 20 just to be safe. Play with them, try to figure out which of them actually bring more engagement, narrow them down. If you need inspiration for some hashtags, check online hashtags generators. Save the hashtags that perform well in a notes app so you can copy-paste them. Now the profile looks amazing. You have everything set up, you can start posting. What else you can do to increase the chances of being followed? The following tips and tricks are in no particular order, just how I remembered them and wrote them down. Don't ignore your audience. This is very important. Reply and like comments made on your posts. This makes people feel special and continue liking and commenting on your posts later. This will boost your post's reach by showing your post on other people's feed. Ask people to tag friends in the comment section. This will bring you new followers and likes from people that are being tagged. Talk to your audience via stories, like creating Q&As. Also repost their stories if they tag you inside them. Host small giveaways. Get in touch with other small Instagram influencers in your niche and share promotions. Tag each other in posts and stories. Convert your account to a business one. This will give you analytics. You can see which post did better in which days and had a higher reach, so you can learn and apply what you did during the good days to all the other ones. Explore the Instagram trends before making your posts. Who knows what ideas you might find. You can also try Google Trends to find subjects that you can relate in your posts. Engage in other people's pages. People that scroll through comments will follow you or at least check your profile since your avatar attracts their attention now. Both platforms, iOS and Android, have plenty of editing apps that allow you to use custom emojis and stickers. Make use of them. People will see new things and not the overused stickers created by Instagram. Like other photos from influencers in your niche. This is a great way to create a connection between you and other influencers. This way you might get a cross-promote later. Add a location to your posts. A geotag. There are people talking about an increase in reach when you have a geotag added to your post. Consider using Instagram ads. Running a small number of ads monthly is not expensive, so if you can afford it, do it. Avoid using bots or websites that get you followers and likes. You need real people to follow you. If you get 1000 bots to follow you but you still get 5 likes on your posts, it's still nothing. When your profile is pretty new or small, avoid following more people than the number of. So this is the end of the course. I tried to make everything as short and as clear as I could, so people can start everything after watching a course of under 15 minutes. Everything presented above was used by me in the previous years to promote Android games and grow some Instagram pages, and I consider those things the important parts of having a successful Instagram profile. I left a small project below the course. Show us the design of your profile and create yourself a weekly schedule to use. Hopefully you could make them and post your creation. I'm curious how people are managing these. Also, I'll leave a message under the discussion section. Feel free to ask anything there. I'll try to answer everything as soon as possible. Feel free to discuss between the students of the class. If you found the discourse helpful, please leave a rating. Thank you.